Empowering their employees is through citizen developer program, where they are enabling the employees and the workforce to learn the technology, use the technology for their own betterment, build a bot and simplify their own workflow. Right? I think that's a great first step. So we are looking into that. We are navigating some of the dependencies internally to get there, but yeah, definitely something on the cards. One of the significant impacts of COVID is how it fast tracked the digital transformation initiatives across organizations. And one of the key trends that we're noticing is cloud transformation, uh, specifically cloud migration and adoption of cloud native technologies for foster scaling to reap quicker benefits. So we are pretty much in the same boat. We are looking at setting up our own cloud infra uh, to enable faster scaling, to help with our deployments, to give us the flexibility in terms of deploying where we want to, and reduce our maintenance efforts. So once our infra is ready, we're looking at having A360 and what it can offer us in terms of flexibility and faster scaling.